Sure, yeah.
A meta prototype lets you build virtual worlds by describing them. Let's go to the beach. How does that work? Wait, I got a video? Oh,
Yep.
my goodness gracious.
So-
this is what Will's...
First, let's start with the scene.
oh, we got Zuckerberg voice.
Let's go to a park.
Nice.
Actually, let's go to the beach.
Mo, when Will goes home from work is what he does.
This is what he's at?
Yeah.
Pretty good. Let's add some clouds. Huh. That's all AI generated. Actually, let's add some alto cumulus clouds.
Yes, of course.
That's what normal people
course.
say.
All right. And let's add an island over there.
Actually,
It's cool. How about we add some trees out here by the sand?
oh, second guy.
Let's get a picnic blanket down here.
They're having
Put
a
up
date.
a table.
It's so matter of fact, like, they're not even enjoying it. Let's
Let's
kind
get
of,
some drinks as well.
let's get a picnic blanket,
They're not even enjoying
Let's
it.
get the sound of some waves and seagulls.
some ways. All right, we're supposed to do all these things.
It's like, come on, hurry up.
Yeah.
It's pretty mind-blowing that
Does
they're
that speaker
speaking and
work?
it's happening.
Let's play some tropical music.
There you go.
And let's add a hydrofoil.
Why did they choose this song?
You gotta have a hydrofoil.
Tropical, because they're, you know, they're an
Teach me
island.
how to ride one in VR.
Okay. So yeah, they
Metaverse looks riveting.
with those clouds there.
Let's do a picnic blanket and a table.
The virtual space is called BuilderBot,
No, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
and most likely it's going to be in Horizon Worlds.
Yeah, you just say it and it's built.
Yeah.
It's definitely cool. Oh man, they also include playing sound effects like tropical music, which is like, what if you said play AC/DC? Was that in the metaverse?
I don't know
Probably,
if they have
yeah.
the rights to that.
I mean, they couldn't do it for the demo, but Will seems
I think so. At some point.
it's only a matter of time. It just taps in. What is it, like Spotify plugin?
Yeah, sure. Integration.
Play Neil Young.
That artist is not available on Spotify.
Nice, Will.
No, it's cool. It's cool. You just say the thing shows up.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Building with your voice. Who
Pretty
doesn't
scary.
want to do that? Program your next app with your voice.